Okay, Walgreens, we're saving over 50% on household products this week. We have a ton of deals on cleaning supplies and paper products. So if you need those, this is definitely the video for you. Of course, there are some other deals on hair care products, personal care, and the oral care deals that we get every single week. So in this video, I'm going to break it down for you step by step. My channel is all about helping you save money on all of your family essentials by stacking your deals and using digital coupons and then earning cash back as well. So if you're trying to fight inflation and you really want to start saving money, definitely hit that subscribe button and you should stick around. Below in the description box is a printable breakdown with some of the deals that we're going to be doing today. I did find a lot more deals just as I was in store, so I'll be sharing with you more deals in the video. So if you watch till the end, I guarantee you will have a very good understanding of how you can save money at Walgreens this week on all of the different products that you actually need and use. And Wednesday, I will be going live teaching you my very simple 5-step process for how I find deals on products that I actually need and how that translates into paying off my debt and building up my emergency fund. That is how I am on track to be debt free this year, which is so exciting. So if you guys want to reserve your seat, that'll be below for you guys as well. It's completely free. Let's head inside and take advantage of these amazing deals. We're going to start off with some Ibotta rebates because I am working towards 2 bonuses right now. Now, CoverGirl is buy one, get one half off. So what we're going to do is grab one of these. I'm grabbing the purple. I scanned the pink, which I've actually never seen before, and it did not show that it was attaching to the coupon. So you want to make sure that you're always scanning on the Walgreens app. I'm going to grab the purple. We have a $2 off one digital coupon, and we're submitting to Ibotta for $3 at cashback. Now, this is the cheaper product, so it will be half price. The other product we're going to grab is a face product. I personally use this every morning to set my face. It's $9.29. This one will be full price. We have a separate $2 digital coupon, and we can submit to Ibotta for $3 cash back. So these are the 2 products I'm grabbing. Total is $13.03. After the $4 in digital coupons come off, I'll pay $9.03 out of pocket. Then I'm going to earn back $6 cash back from Ibotta. That's going to make my final cost $3.03 for 2 of them, or $1.51 a piece. Great deal on some makeup, especially on products that I actually use. Next deal we're grabbing is on Colgate products. So they are buy 2, get a $5 register reward. I'm going to grab this toothbrush here for $5. We have a $2 off one digital coupon. Next, we're grabbing this Colgate Optic White Advanced for $6, and there is a $3 off one digital coupon for this one. So total for both of these is $11, but we have $5 in digital coupons. So I'll pay $6 out of pocket, earn back a $5 register reward, makes them 50 cents a piece, perfect stock up price. Next deal we're grabbing is on the Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. These are on sale for $5.99. Buy 2, get a $7 register reward. And we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. So you'll pay $7.98, get back a $7 register reward, makes them only 49 cents a piece. These are my favorite makeup wipe remover towelettes, so I'm definitely grabbing them. We also have a really good deal on Tresemme hair care this week. They are $6 on sale for the large bottles, and buy 2, earn a $3 register reward. You're going to grab 2 of them. In the Walgreens app, we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $8 out of pocket, earn back the $3 register reward. Makes your final cost $5 for 2 of them, or just $2.50 per bottle. We have really good deals on laundry products this week, so there's 2 separate deals I'm going to share with you. First, we're going to save 45% on large Downy and Bounce this week. So you can either get this one that's 120 loads for $9.99, or you can get this one with the Calm Lavender and Vanilla Bean, also $9.99. They're part of a promotion, buy 2, get a $5 register reward. So grab one, clip the $2 off one digital coupon. Next, you're going to get this huge Mega Bounce 240 count. It's also included, and we have a separate $2 digital coupon. So for these 2 products, you're at $19.98. After the $4 in digital coupons come off, you'll pay $15.98, earn back the $5 register reward, makes your final cost $5.49 a piece. That is about 50%, it's about 45% cheaper than grabbing them at Walmart, so it's an amazing deal. Next, we're stocking up on a ton of cleaning supplies this week at Walgreens, and it's going to be about 50% cheaper than grabbing them at Walmart. So one deal I'm gonna do, now all of these are mix and match, buy two, get one free. The cheapest product is gonna be the free one. Here's an option. You can grab 3 of these, one of them will be free, so you'll pay $10.98 out of pocket. Then you can submit to Ibotta. You're gonna get $1.25 cash back each. That'll also give me 3 rebates towards my bonus. That makes my final cost just $2.41 a piece. These go for $3.97 a piece at Walmart. Another option you can do is on Windex products. So what you can do is grab one of these at $4.99. There's a $1.25 cashback offer on Ibotta. Then you can grab one of these at $4.49. This is the product that's gonna be free. Submit to Ibotta for a $1.25 cashback. And then you can grab a soft scrub at $4.99 with a $1 cashback on Ibotta. This one has a limit of 1. That's why you're only grabbing 1. So for these 3 products, you're gonna pay $9.98 out of pocket. Then you're gonna be earning back $3.50 from Ibotta. That makes your final cost $2.16 a piece. This Windex and this Windex also track towards a SC Johnson bonus. You need to do 3 unique offers to be able to get that additional $1 cashback bonus. So to get that bonus, you could do these 3 products. You'll pay $10.48 out of pocket. Then you're gonna be earning back all the cash back from Ibotta plus the $1 bonus. Makes your final cost only $1.91 per product, which is a steal for cleaning supplies. We also have a really good stock up price on Brawny. So the 2 = 6 rolls is on sale for $6.49, and buy 2 get a $5 register reward. Plus, we have a $1 off 1 digital coupon. So you're gonna pay $11.98 out of pocket, earn back the $5 register reward, makes your final cost $6.98 for 2 of them, or $3.49 per pack. Another deal that's not as good in my opinion, we usually get it a little bit cheaper, is gonna be on the Bounty Essentials and the Charmin. Now typically we're able to get these around $3.24 a pack. It would be like a good stock up price. This week we can get them for $3.82, so not far off, especially if you need it. It's still better than paying full price, so I'm gonna share with you the deal. This week, they're $5.49 on sale. Buy 3 in store, get a $3 register reward. You want to get 1 of the Bounty Essentials at least. Clip the $1 off 1 digital coupon. Next, you're going to grab the Charmin Essentials for $5.49. You want to grab at least 1 of these and clip the $1 off 1 digital coupon. For your third product, either grab a second one of these or a second one of the Bounty, totally up to you. For example, you could grab it this way. Total is $16.47. After your $2 in digital coupons come off, you'll pay $14.47. Earn back the $3 register reward, makes your final cost $13.47 for 3 of them, or $3.82 a piece. Keep in mind, if you had any Walgreens cash or register rewards from previous deals, you can use those to lower your out-of-pocket cost. All right, we're back in from Walgreens, and I took my own advice always, right? I try to make sure that the advice I give you guys, I'm of course abiding by that same advice, and I only did deals on products that I actually needed. My laundry products are completely stocked up, so I didn't grab that deal. I also have a leaning tower of paper products, so I don't need the Brawny or the Bounty or the Charmin or anything like that. Even though they were decent deals, I don't need it. So I'm not gonna waste the money out of my budget to grab something that I don't need when I have plenty at my house that can tide me over for like the next couple months. So it's very, very important, and I teach this in my Everyday Savings Club, and I preach it all the time. Make sure you are only doing deals on products you actually need. That is how you're gonna be able to save money on your family essentials and make your savings count and make sense for you, right? You don't wanna just be doing a deal because it's 80% off, because that money you could be putting towards your emergency fund. Put that towards your debt as an additional payment on your credit card debt, etc. So there's way more important things, okay? So let me show you guys my little receipts. I wound up grabbing the cleaning supplies because it was something that I needed. And then I did the CoverGirl deal because that is a product that I use, and I'm trying to do all the Ibotta rebates. I wasn't using a booster or anything. I did have that spend 40 on my account, but just because you have a booster doesn't also mean that you have to use it. So if I were to build up my transaction to be able to have $40 of product value, my out-of-pocket would have been really high. I wouldn't have been able to use the Walgreens cash, and it would have defeated the purpose. So I used $10 in Walgreens cash, paid $8.16 out of pocket. Then I submitted over to Ibotta and got my cash back on the CoverGirl and all of the cleaning supplies. That also gave me 5 rebates towards both of my bonuses, which I'm gonna be trying to finish tomorrow at Walmart, so definitely stay tuned. Now let's head home. We're gonna enter this into our budget spreadsheet, which is a very important step in the process. Gotta make sure you're tracking your spending, guys. Right now, do a gut check and just ask yourself, okay, am I saving as much as I wanna be saving? If the answer is no, am I tracking my spending? The answer, I guarantee you, is no. That is why you've got to fix that. So if you want to use my spreadsheet, I'll link it for you guys. You're welcome to grab it. Or if you want to buy someone else's, or if you want to spend hours and hours building your own, do it. But at the end of the day, you've got to be tracking your spending. So let's go home. I'll show you in 30 seconds exactly how I do it. So let's do it together. So now that we're home, we're going to open up our digital budget spreadsheet. If you guys want to download it, I'll link it below for you guys. You're welcome to download it. You'll be able to copy it for the rest of your life. This is going to have 12 months for you, and it also will come with trainings on how to use the financial goals tab and the budget setup tab. So we are on the April tab, of course, for April. What we're going to do is log the date. This literally takes me 30 seconds when I'm done couponing. So you're going to do 1 line per receipt. You're not going to itemize out every single item. You're only doing an entire receipt at a time. So I only did 1 transaction this week at Walgreens. So we're going to add up the sale prices of all of the products. So for example, the CoverGirl products were buy one, get one half off. So one of them was $9.29. The other one was $3.74 because it was half price. Then we had 2 of the cleaning supply products, and the other one was going to be free. So total retail value, $23.51. Not a huge haul. Out of pocket, I paid $8.16, and cash back, I earned $10.25. So this was actually a cash moneymaker because I only spent $8.16 out of my bank account, but I earned $10.25 cash back. So I actually made $2.09 from doing those deals. So on average, my percentage saved for the entire month is 79%. Sorry, I don't know why this is so... Okay, so I've saved on average 79% on everything that I've purchased. It also shows here at the top the total money saved, $374 so far this month, and it's only been the first week of the month, which is really, really exciting. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. If you haven't reserved your seat to my free live class, just click the icon that says free live class. You guys can reserve your seat there, and I will see you then. Bye.